Well, I want to go for a ride today. After we got the tire done yesterday, my back brakes quit working, so I'm going to rebuild the rear master cylinder. I guess this is just what it's like to own a vintage Dyna, or a vintage Harley, or a vintage anything. You never stop working on the darn things. So, I went up to J&P Cycles. I got the master cylinder rebuild kit. Right now I'm in the process of taking the old master cylinder off. We're going to put the new one on. Well, something tells me it might be wise to actually check the fluid before I get started with this, just to make sure it's not something more simple. So I'm going to take the two Phillips head screws off the top and plan on taking these two. One of them was loose. Let's see, will that get enough tension off this other one? Darn it, I can't move anything. I can't tell if there's fluid in here or not. Alright, sometimes you need that number. Oh my gosh, that screw just stripped. Well, can't make it any worse than it is. I guess I could make it worse than it is. Never mind. I guess I'm going to get a new master cylinder in the future. Just roll with just front brakes for a while. Oh, they broke the screws off. That's something special. I wonder if that's where all that leaking has been coming from. Okay, never mind. We're not rebuilding the master cylinder today.
Nothing. Too bright? It gets too loud too.
Are you okay back there, Ellie?
Yeah. I guess I could get gas. I'm here.
Right? You gas up your body, gas up your bike?
Yeah.
You exhausted?
That was a long ride, huh? That was hours. Hours on the sidewalk. He has me out here working on his bike now.
What time is it? Dude, it's dark o'clock.
The torque specs of my elbow. That's the noise you're hearing.
The deep dive on
Behind the scenes. This is
air cleaners and what they should not look like.
I couldn't figure out how to get it off.
Dun, 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 dun. Is this a good view? Is this a good view?
Maybe.
Oh. First look in there.
All right, hold on.
Oh
Let me
my
get the light.
gosh. What do we see, Layton?
It is.
Qualified smog spec, Layton.
It's your. Look at that air temp sensor.
What about it?
I don't know. It looks okay to me,
Here,
but
let's look at it closer.
it's a little scuzzy in there.
Hey, the throttle plate opens all the way. Look
Yeah.
at that.
I was worried about
That scuff on the side, I saw that.
these guys right here. That looks nasty.
Oh, we recorded the whole thing sideways.
Because we're professional, all right?
Pro.
Using the wrong tool for the right job.
Like the 50s.
Yeah,
Did you know if you take all that... Yo, so I left the honor of one last part install on this for Layton. It's a fueling timing cover. Which one it is yet to be seen.
That one
I should probably turn on that.
No,
Is that blinding to you?
No.
Layton view. It's the Layton cam.
The rest of
Was it the very top one?
It's this one right here.
Oh, did that one actually have a job?
What? What is that for?
Looks, bro. It looks like you're supposed to put a power meter in there. That'd be a cool place for what, like a temperature gauge, maybe? A clock. Let's check it out. What is that?
It's like nice thick aluminum. That's good.
Let me see it here. I just thought maybe I could use that on the motorcycle later.
Definitely can. Get all that crap out of there too.
I have this fancy tray here that you can put the bolts in.
Oh, nice.
It's got a skull on one side.
That's cool. Alright, I think that's enough blue look. Yeah, I'm doing the extra safe route because I'm not trying to.
Dun dun dun! It looks like one of those things. A thumbnail.
Yeah, definitely. Just don't look at that.
I know, huh? The peg, your foot, and that foot peg. Good morning, YouTube. Today, on HD Quick Flicks, we're gonna ride the bike. We did the skull delete. I got the fueling on there. We put stuff on the things and stuff and the whatnot. So we're gonna ride up to the Harley dealership on Ormond Beach next to J&P's. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It looks like it might rain. We'll see. It's a good thing these cameras are waterproof. And go take a little tour of the Harley dealership and of especially the Buell section. Take a look at all that. Look at that. Look at that. So, follow along. Good morning, Layton.
Good morning.
Am I rain? It looks like it's gonna rain.
Didn't say it's gonna rain.
Didn't say it's gonna rain, but it looks like it's gonna rain.
Yeah. We made it.
We made it. Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is HD Quick Flick. We're at the Ormond Beach Harley-Davidson to check out
Motorcycle museum.
Motors.
Harley museum. I don't
Harley?
know what it is.
Buell.
Yeah, they have a couple fuels.
They got a couple Buells upstairs. Okay.
Destination Daytona.
Daytona. This isn't Daytona though. This is
It's Ormond Beach, but it's
Ormond
Destination Daytona.
That's weird. Mm-hmm. Cool, that was cool. Yeah, look at that thing.
That'd sick.
Dual carbs. Look at that. Pretty good.
Checking out the old race bikes.
Pardon me?
Checking out the old race bikes.
Oh yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
That's the tire we need on your bike.
Skinny.
That's pure speed.
Pure speed. Yeah. Drum brake, bud.
Drum brake. Look at the cable.
Wow. Front brake cable? Heck yeah. Alright, we're at the Ormond Beach Harley-Davidson. And a quick little walkthrough. You got all your fashion needs. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, sun escalator.
They got all the cool stuff upstairs.
Oh yeah, look at that. I see an ice cream truck. Or not truck, but yeah.
Yeah, look behind you.
Ooh. You're gonna make me die on this escalator. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Pretty cool. How you doing? Good. Is it genuine?
Yeah.
It is. Look at that. I guess I could zoom out. That might help. That's very similar to the one over there at Black Gold. 1951 Serby car. Oh yeah. It's the fuzz. It's funny, they parked them just like the cops do too.
Favorite moment on tour in 2015.
That one doesn't match. Very cool.
He's got a 09 Dyna and I got a 03 Buell.
Okay. Keeping that Buell running, huh?
Running
It's
and
getting expensive, but yeah, keeping it alive.
Right on.
I've done a lot of this.
how's it going, man? Turtle,
Yes, sir.
how's it going, man? I'm Chester.
Nice to meet you, Chester.
Lee.
Lee?
Yeah.
Lee?
It's easier than Leighton.
Is it? Oh, okay. Well, look at this.
Yeah, I saw
My YouTube channel?
The 25 Lowrider ST has 114 horsepower, 128 foot-pounds of torque right off the street.
Nice. What did you end up putting down with yours, with your dyno?
124 horsepower,
Cyberman.
136 foot-pounds of torque.
Nice.
Hit 163.8 miles per hour on the dyno.
Dang. Cool, man.
How do you keep tires on that thing?
So I just bought. So I haven't had time to burn any tires. I don't plan on really doing any burnouts because I'm almost 62 years old. That's for young, stupid kids.
Oh, yeah. I wasn't talking about burnouts. It's just getting up on the freeway and getting into it.
Yeah.
No, it'll go from 0 to
That is 1980s right there, buddy. Or is this? Oh, it's a kickstart. That's the
There's an
70s.
XR 100 or 1000. That'd be a sick sick
Yeah.
setup to have on your bike.
Just put a front head on the back.
Yeah.
Does that work?
I don't know.
It probably doesn't because of the rocker arrangement.
99. Oh, look at that, 125, 48.
Wow.
That's cool.
Yeah, that is cool. $62.
Look at the sweet horn on that thing.
Whoa. Is it an air horn? A vacuum horn? Look at those exhaust pipes.
Yeah, it's cool shit.
That really is pretty cool.
Dude, look at the fairing for this one.
Oh yeah, look at that air cleaner. Look at those carbs.
Those look like dual like Webers or something.
Bro.
Dual Horty Webers. Or Webers.
It's got the super traps. And it's got the monster tag we were talking about
This,
yesterday.
yeah. Trade your bike for this one. This thing's probably a rocket now.
It probably is a rocket. It probably doesn't put down the street. It's probably stopped or just going.
It's probably just on and off.
The chrome.
I love the smell.
Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the one.
Yes.
Check out the seat on this one. I know it's a little dusty, but it's the bat like a Batmobile.
What?
Yeah, look at
Oh, what?
it. Yeah.
Look at that.
And I think it's signed by one of like the George Ronnie. Signed by somebody.
George
But
Barry.
that's such a cool bike. Looks like
Barry. Oh, is it Ronnie?
Looks like
thought it was
George
Barry.
Ronnie or yeah. George Bond. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, it's like styled after the Batmobile.
That is
old
really
Batmobile.
cool.
It's a 09 XL.
Oh yeah, the seat says Bears Customs on it.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is pretty cool.
I like I just like the rear fender on that one. I thought that was sick.
Yeah, that is rad. I sure do like the black on orange. Is that a seagull? Oh no, that's a
Damn, look at FXD. It's
dude.
93. I like to look at the side of it too, and then it even has a spoiler on it.
Look at that eagle on the front.
It's got the spoiler, and then even the fins are painted.
Oh yeah,
On the
look at that.
barrel.
Look at that eagle on the front, on the fender. Yeah,
Dude, this thing is so 90s. It's so cool.
4-cylinder prototype. What?
It's like a Moto Guzzi almost.
Oh. Wow, that's pretty cool.
That's insane.
I wonder what kind of power that thing makes. That probably makes 120 horsepower.
Probably. Oh, there's the Screaming Eagle drag bikes.
Oh yeah.
V-Rods.
V-Rod Destroyer.
That's when the Porsche was helping them out.
Training wheels. Look at that. Very cool.
That's that Porsche V-twin.
It's a Porsche.
So she's sitting there.
Sprachen Sie Deutsch? It's an American flag next to a German motorcycle.
You got enough chrome on this one?
No! Where's all the chrome?
I feel like Cholo would ride this.
Dude, that thing is sick.
That thing is.
Elvis Presley.
Oh, it's his bike.
What?
Isn't that Graceland?
2007 Elvis
Oh.
Softail.
His Softail and his Road King.
Dude, and there's Elvis right there.
This is his Road King.
What's up with that? Star Trek.
That's I think the Graceland symbol.
Oh, okay.
I think. Don't quote me on that.
2005. Man, he was riding well after he was dead.
Yep.
That's crazy. How's that work?
I don't know. Maybe his kids.
Oh, yeah. What's her name? Cirilla? Look at
I think so. Yeah.
Look at that kickstart. That's pretty badass.
Oil filter. That's cool.
Pretty cool. Ooh, sorry.
Definitely cool bike.
Check out the statue of Elvis. Back in Nam. World War II. Look at that.
See, this is what you need on your bike.
That's a freedom machine right there.
Captain America.
Captain America. Yeah, that is cool. Oh yeah. 1947 FL. Yeah, buddy.
Hey, does that rotor look familiar?
Look at this. That is a 2007 Mule. It's your bike's little brother.
Yep.
Your little brother on steroids.
Bigger engine though.
Stop roid raging. Look at that. Kind of looks like a Honda.
Some gnarly single piston.
That looks like an 8-piston.
I could do that to my frame. Polish it up like that.
It looked nice. I heard you can use Scotch Brite and WD-40. 2008 race bike.
That was last year before he went on his own, off on his own.
Before the owner of Harley-Davidson told him they got to get rid of the kid stuff.
Yeah.
Very cool.
This is the last. This is the first like Rotax engine because you can see that's the little chain drive on the right side.
Here. Get over there and explain that.
Huh?
Get over there and explain that.
I don't want to move the American flag. Rotax. First year of the Rotax.
First year of the Rotax.
08 mule. And this was still running the Harley in 07.
Okay.
So you can see where the chain drive is. Rotax
Oh,
and chain
yeah.
drive on the
Oh,
left
wow.
side.
Yeah, that's a big
The chain
difference.
drive on the right side and it's still on the Harley.
Huh. So this is more like the motor that's in the
The new ones.
the new ones,
Super
like in your
Touring
Super
and
Touring.
Yeah. And then you can see how the exhaust is like mine. So
Oh,
it's
yeah.
on the Harley. And then that one's on the.
Oh, it's a little can.
Yeah.
There it is. Oh yeah, that does like remind me of a CD or a snowmobile or something.
Yeah.
A jet ski. Some more Harley stuff. Shirts, pants, hats, belts.
But yeah.
Backpacks,
this is all their
patches.
used and museum stuff up here.
All these clothes are used.
Bikes, I think.
Oh yeah, this one must be for sale. It says for assistance.
This guy's candle's a little sad.
Oh, I thought he was. Oh, he's employee of the month.
Learn how the escalator works?
Oh, that is pretty cool. Dun 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 dun. Okay. So this is the upstairs of the Ormond Beach Harley-Davidson dealership.
There's the name right there.
Teddy Morse's. Yeah. Lots of clothing, lots of clothing. Good place to come shopping for birthdays and Christmas, New Year's, whatever. Well, heck yeah. And we're right back at this white wood tracker. Okay. Don't die. Going down to the next level. All the new bikes over there. This place is huge. This is all the new clothing. This is where they keep all the used clothing. All the used stuff's upstairs. Lots of stuff. They still got their Christmas tree. They still got their Christmas tree up. It is 2026 already. Wallet chains. Essentials for the 90s kids. Wallets. Oh, motorcycle stuff. Maybe they'll give me one for my YouTube channel.
You just need the filter.
I just need the filter. But, you know, it's cheaper for me to buy a whole cheap... air filters. This is real similar to what I got. Windshields, tail lights, other lights, pegs. Oh, they got Arlen S mirrors.
Yeah, there's a derby cover here.
Oh, yeah, look at that one. That's pretty sweet.
Scooter man.
Spider-Man!
Scooter man.
These ones are real nice. Yeah. Very cool. All the grips, the lights, storage stuff. Dun, 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 dun. It's only $90 for a mirror. Polish them up liquids. Sushi bar stuff. Mufflers. Is that a high flow intake manifold?
Yep.
Look at that. Would that work on my bike?
Yeah. That'll work on your bike. So would those.
You gotta come in here with like $4,000. I like the brake lines. Cup holders. That's what I need. I need a freaking cup holder. For only $92.99, you can have a Gen 2 drink holder, chrome finish on your touring bike. What if I just recanned and filtered it? I mean, greased it up.
Guess what's left of it?
Greased it up.
The service lounge. Go ask them if they have a old rear brake master cylinder housing.
What? There's a barber shop inside here?
Dude.
Dude, my wife should get a job here. She's not a barber, but she is a beautician.
Yeah, she can still cut hair and trim beards, right? Eyebrows.
Yeah. Ooh, dragline. These are all probably customer bikes. What is this? What is this?
This is a touring bike.
You ever feel like you're in the wrong part of town?
Pretty good.
Sorry, we're doing YouTube here. Hey. All right, Jacob. What's up, man?
What's going on, guys? Second Sunday of every month, we run a swap meet here at Teddy Morse's Daytona Harley-Davidson. Fills up the parking lot completely. It's a big turnout every time.
Awesome.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Not a problem. I have nothing to say.
Events and activities. Teddy Morse, Harley-Davidson. What do we got? January 2026. Happy New Year. They were closed. Elevators in the pavilion.
So next week, they got the swap
Party.
meet.
Didn't you say you were going to cruise up next week too?
Yeah, I'm off next week.
Yeah, let's go to that swap meet. Oh, but I still won't have any money. I'll still be broke.
Yeah, good. You
Maybe I'll borrow some money from my old lady. Very cool. What's that?
This is a super glue bike if you basically rip everything off.
Look at that.
I'm glad Harley's doing bikes like this. This is sick.
It's very cool, man. CVO. I really like the camo. Little camo accents. That's pretty rad, man. See?
Sick bike.
That's what I need. Remote reservoir. So I can actually put stuff in there. They probably don't do that because it's so close to the exhaust. Oh yeah, I ran into a guy at the Circle K. I didn't believe him that was the stock fender on there. But here they are. You know, the light is better from this side, I think. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. I love those ghost flames. Ooh, look at that.
That one's for the ladies.
Ooh, I would ride that. I don't even mind the pink. Yeah, look at that. That is really cool.
Sick paintwork.
I wonder if this is a customer bike or if this is one of the
Fosgate and everything.
freaking rad.
Oh, look at it on the lake.
Oh yeah, it does have good light right here for this. Wow. Yeah, this is a great idea, especially after doing the little shop tour over at the mini shop tour. That's pretty cool. I love me some orange and black, especially with some white on it.
The Freedom
Oh, Freedom Machine.
Cycle.
I like that. It's red and silver with the flames. That's pretty dang cool. Anybody says they're covered for life. And look at that. Got a sick air cleaner on there and everything.
Do you like the seat on this one? High back?
Oh yeah. Is this a lowrider? It is.
Pretty dope seat.
Let me get back there. Video this America bike. Oh, that's carbon fiber, bro. Yeah. Wow, that is really cool. Look at that. Carbon fiber all throughout. Very, very cool. Oh, that is a helmet, isn't it? Cool. This is some guy that just rolled in here. Some Indians. Cool air cleaner.
The minigun exhaust tip.
Ah, yeah. Radical. Cool, man.
Make some good looking bikes.
So that was Teddy Moore's Harley-Davidson here in Ormond Beach. Mini shop tour.
All these nice bike rollers.
This one was a little bit less than a mini tour, though. It's too much for it to be a mini tour. Does not fit into the mini tour concept. That's all right. And here we got the two coolest bikes in the entire place.
Yep.
An 03 Buell and an 09 Road Glide. 09 Street Bob. With a unicorn horn.
Okay, over to J&P, I guess.
This sweet engine paint. Plane flying up and ruining all my sound. I didn't wear my sweet mini mics that this guy, Leighton, got me for Christmas.
Oh.
Should have worn those. Should have figured it out.
Yeah.
Now we're about to go over to J&P Cycles.
You got plenty more videos to make with this.
Oh, absolutely. 80 project, man. There's no reason not to film it and do a vid.
Yeah, you've been working on the truck.
Oh, yeah, huh?
I always do
It's
that.
too bad the truck's not the Silverado HD, because then it would still fit with the name.
Start messing with the diesel if you had one.
Right? Maybe I should diesel swap it.
Yeah, we could do that. Oh, such a long ride, man. Oh, my ass is hurting.
I filmed the whole time? Oh, man.
I didn't even tie my helmet.
Yeah, spin this thing up good so it marks the spot we're holding on.
Yep.
So whatever.
Now when you come back, you feel like I was here.
Look at all the spots over there.
Yeah, I know. Hey, that's how you know Harleys have been here.
It's a Harley-Davidson. All right.
Those are Harleys marking their territory.
That is. They have to.
They have to. They can't not mark their territory.
All right, now we're at J&P Cycles in Ormond Beach. Very, very long ride from the Harley-Davidson dealership. You probably see.
You'll scroll the camera up and so you can see it. Hear this thing.
This is 3D or whatever. 360. 360. Hi. All right. Gotta get the automatic door. Oh yeah. Simpson helmets. This is the J&P Cycles in Ormond Beach. It's a pretty large shop they got here. A bunch of cool shit up on the roofs. All the way around. Massive inventory on the Simpson helmets. All the nice jackets and stuff. I actually got my jacket that I'm wearing here today. Here, right there. They do price matching here. And they matched the online price on a sale from the manufacturer, so that was super cool. I ended up getting that jacket for about $200. All the gloves. Oh, you got Thrashing Supply gloves. Dang. I'll have to remember that. Heated clothing. Back protectors. Lots and lots of helmets. Employees only. Yeah. What are these? Sedici. Sedici? I don't know how to say that. Cool art on these helmets though. Ooh, it's monstrous. Yeah, this place feels massive in here. All the visors for the helmets they sell. Ooh, they got the Simpson stuff. All the leather. Fun stuff. What was that? Right there, saddlebag self-set. Bags. Yeah. Look at these seats.
Oh my god, like a pet carrier.
What? You could take your cats for a ride.
That'd be brownie. Don't want to trust the cats.
What do you think they would do? They're all up in a...
Fucking chew their way through it.
Oh. Anyways.
It's insane. It's still 62 bucks for all that. 62 bucks for all.
Well, guys, that was J&P Cycles in Ormond Beach.
Enjoy.
Enjoy that. It's a little bit smaller than the Harley-Davidson dealership. I come here all the time for parts because they're more affordable than the Harley-Davidson dealership.
Kind of.
Made it this far, thanks. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Talk some shit in the comments. I mean, yeah, just, whatever. This was kind of an off-the-cuff episode anyways. Thanks again for tuning into HD Quick Flicks, and y'all have a good weekend. Peace!